Now, I did touch briefly on how to say I am Australian or I am Chinese, I am American. We add the word 人, which means person or people. 我是澳大利亚人, I am Australian. 我是中国人, I am Chinese. So one difference with English is we don't need to add an an. You don't need to say I am an Australian person. You can just say I am Australian. 我是澳大利亚人, I am Australian person. 我是中国人. And say we want to ask somebody which country they're from or what nationality they are. We use a question word, but we don't use the question word 什么. We use the question word for which is 哪, third tone. So to ask somebody what country they are from, we can say you are what country person or you are which country person. 你是哪国人?你是哪国人? What nationality are you? And this question word which is really useful. Let's say we are sitting down and I've got two options for you. I've got coffee, cafe, and I've got tea, 茶. And I want to ask you which one do you want to drink. Now drink is 喝. Now I could just ask you 你喝什么, which means what are you drinking or what do you want to drink. But if I want to give you these two choices and only limit you to those two choices, I can say 你要喝哪个 or 哪个, which one do you want to drink? Now, you might have noticed here, I just said 哪个 rather than 哪个. That's just an accent difference. It's a bit subconscious because in the north of China, particularly in Beijing, they say 哪 for 哪, but in the rest of the country, they will say 哪. I try and stick with the standard Chinese, so I apologize if I inadvertently slip into colloquial accented Beijing dialect. So 你喝哪个?你吃哪个? Which one do you want to eat? 我有两本书. This sentence you should understand. 我有两本书. I have two books. 你看哪个? Which one are you going to read? 你要看哪个? Which one do you intend on reading? In addition to asking somebody 你是哪国人, you might often hear 你是哪个国家的? 国家 meaning country. So the meaning is exactly the same. What nationality are you? So in English, if you think, there's a number of ways to ask somebody which country they originate from. You can ask them, what nationality are you? Where are you from? Which country are you from? It's all the same. In Chinese, 你是哪国人? What nationality are you? 你是哪个国家的? What country are you from?